What if the smartphone in your pocket is about to become obsolete? In 2026, a new generation of AI smart glasses can translate languages in real time, navigate your world, capture videos hands-free, and even act as a personal AI assistant right in front of your eyes. Today, we're counting down 20 incredible AI smart glasses that look like they came straight from the future. Some of these are so advanced, you might never want to pull out your phone again. Let's jump right into the list. ROG XREAL R1. ROG XREAL R1 takes smart glasses to a whole new level, especially for gamers and tech enthusiasts. Imagine carrying a massive virtual display wherever you go and enjoying smooth, ultra-responsive visuals without a bulky monitor. With a lightweight design, a stunning micro OLED display, and an incredible 240 Hz refresh rate, these glasses are built for immersive gaming and entertainment. They also feature premium audio, advanced tracking, and adjustable dimming for a more comfortable viewing experience. Whether you're gaming, streaming movies, or working on the go, the ROG XREAL R1 feels like a futuristic portable theater you can wear on your face. Rokid AI Glasses Style. Rokid AI Glasses Style are the kind of smart glasses that make you wonder why everyone isn't wearing AI on their face yet. These sleek, lightweight glasses look surprisingly normal, but they're packed with powerful AI features. Imagine getting real-time translations, turn-by-turn navigation, voice assistance, and instant information about the world around you, all without reaching for your phone. The built-in camera and open-ear audio system make the experience feel seamless and natural. Designed for all-day comfort, Rokid focuses on practical, everyday use rather than flashy effects. If you want futuristic technology that actually fits into daily life, these glasses are hard to ignore. Edenlux Eyeary. Edenlux Eyeary takes a completely different approach to smart glasses, and that's what makes it so fascinating. Instead of focusing on entertainment or flashy AR effects, these glasses are designed to help protect and improve your vision. Using advanced lens technology and AI-powered visual training, Edenlux aims to reduce eye strain caused by hours of screen time. The lightweight design makes them comfortable enough for everyday wear, while the companion app helps track your progress and eye health habits. In a world where we spend more time staring at screens than ever before, Edenlux Eyeary feels less like a gadget and more like a futuristic wellness device. INMO Air 3. INMO Air 3 feels like one of the closest things we've seen to a true standalone AR computer. Unlike many smart glasses that rely heavily on a smartphone, these glasses are designed to handle a lot of tasks on their own. You can access real-time translations, navigation, AI assistance, notifications, and media directly from the glasses, creating a futuristic, hands-free experience. The advanced display technology overlays useful information right into your field of view, making everyday tasks feel effortless. Combined with a lightweight design and powerful AR capabilities, the INMO Air 3 gives us a glimpse of a future where wearable computers could replace traditional screens altogether. AInoon AI Smart Glasses. AInoon AI smart glasses are proof that powerful AI technology is becoming more accessible than ever. These smart glasses combine a sleek, lightweight design with features that feel straight out of the future. Imagine translating conversations in real time, getting instant navigation help, recognizing objects around you, and capturing hands-free photos or videos, all from a pair of everyday-looking glasses. The built-in AI assistant is always ready to answer questions and help with daily tasks, making your life easier without constantly checking your phone. With solid performance and an affordable price point, AInoon AI smart glasses deliver a surprisingly futuristic experience for everyday users. Everysight Maverick. Everysight Maverick is built for people who want technology to keep up with an active lifestyle. Whether you're cycling, running, hiking, or exploring new places, these smart glasses put important information right in front of your eyes without distracting you from the road ahead. Real-time navigation, fitness tracking, performance stats, and AR overlays. Create a heads-up display that feels like something from a futuristic sports movie. The lightweight design keeps them comfortable during long sessions, while the advanced display remains easy to see in different environments. If you're looking for smart glasses that blend fitness, adventure, and cutting-edge technology, Everysight Maverick is definitely worth watching. Pickle One. Pickle One might be one of the most futuristic and controversial smart glasses on this entire list. These AI-powered glasses are designed to act like a personal memory assistant, helping you remember conversations, appointments, important details, and daily interactions. Imagine having an AI that not only sees what you see, but also understands context and provides useful suggestions throughout the day. From navigation and messaging assistance to intelligent reminders and real-time insights, Pickle One feels like a wearable AI companion from a science fiction movie. If this technology reaches its full potential, it could completely change how we interact with information and memory in everyday life. Meta Ray-Ban Display. Meta Ray-Ban display isn't just another pair of smart glasses. It feels like the first real glimpse of the future. Imagine checking directions, reading notifications, translating conversations, and getting AI-powered answers without ever pulling out your phone. That's exactly what these glasses are built to do. With a sleek Ray-Ban design, a built-in display, a 12-megapixel camera, and powerful Meta AI integration, everything happens right in your field of view. The gesture-controlled neural band makes interactions feel almost magical. If smart glasses are going mainstream in 2026, the Meta Ray-Ban display could be the device leading the revolution. Qwen Glasses. Qwen Glasses might be one of the biggest surprises in the AI wearable world. Developed with powerful AI technology at their core, these smart glasses do much more than display information. They can translate conversations in real time, recognize objects around you, answer questions, and even capture photos and videos completely hands-free. What makes them especially impressive is how naturally the AI assistant integrates into everyday life, almost like having ChatGPT built into your glasses. With a lightweight design, all-day comfort, and advanced AI features, Qwen Glasses are proving that the future of personal assistance may be sitting right on your face. Edenlux G2. Edenlux G2 proves that smart glasses don't have to look futuristic to feel futuristic. At first glance, they look like a normal pair of stylish glasses, but hidden inside is powerful AI technology designed for everyday life. The lightweight design projects. Notifications, translations, reminders, and useful information directly into your field of view without distracting you from the real world. What makes the G2 stand out is its clean, camera-free approach. giving users a more private and professional experience. With impressive battery life and a sleek minimalist design, these glasses feel less like a gadget and more like a natural extension of your daily routine. RayNeo X3 Pro. RayNeo X3 Pro looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. These next-generation AI glasses combine advanced augmented reality with powerful AI features to create an experience that feels years ahead of today's technology. The full-color display can project digital information directly into your view, while built-in AI helps with translations, navigation, object recognition, and real-time assistance. What's really impressive is the bright display that remains visible, even outdoors, making it practical for everyday use. Add premium cameras, spatial tracking, and powerful processing, and you get a wearable device that feels less like glasses and more like a personal computer for your eyes. VITURE Beast. VITURE Beast isn't just a pair of smart glasses, it's basically a giant portable screen you can wear. Designed for gamers, movie lovers, and power users, these glasses create an immersive virtual display that feels like carrying a massive theater in your pocket. With stunning visuals, smooth refresh rates, and advanced head tracking, everything from gaming to streaming feels incredibly lifelike. The electrochromic tinting helps block distractions, making the experience even more immersive. What's really impressive is how much technology is packed into such a wearable design. If you've ever wanted a private cinema and gaming setup that travels everywhere with you, VITURE Beast delivers exactly that. Lucid Reebok. Lucid Reebok smart glasses prove that wearable tech doesn't have to be complicated to be useful. Combining Reebok's sporty style with Lucid's smart technology, these glasses are built for people who want to stay connected while staying active. You can take calls, listen to music, get navigation directions, and access AI-powered voice assistants, all without touching your phone. The open-ear audio design lets you hear your surroundings while enjoying clear sound, making them perfect for workouts, walks, and daily commutes. With long battery life and a comfortable lightweight frame, Lucid Reebok delivers practical smart features in a package that feels ready for everyday life. VIVE Eagle AI Glasses. VIVE Eagle AI glasses show what happens when powerful AI meets a sleek, everyday design. These futuristic glasses pack smart features like real-time translation, voice assistance, hands-free photo capture, and instant access to information right in front of your eyes. Built with a lightweight frame and advanced AI processing, they're designed to keep you connected without constantly reaching for your phone. The open-ear audio system lets you stay aware of your surroundings while enjoying clear sound and AI interactions. Whether you're traveling, working, or exploring a new city, VIVE Eagle AI glasses feel like having a personal AI assistant following you everywhere you go. ThirdEye SXR. ThirdEye SXR isn't designed for casual entertainment. It's built for serious, real-world missions. These advanced smart glasses are used in industries where hands-free access to information can save time, improve efficiency, and even enhance safety. Imagine technicians, engineers, or field workers seeing instructions, live data, and remote expert guidance directly in their field of view while keeping both hands free. The mixed reality technology creates an immersive workspace that feels decades ahead of traditional tools. With rugged construction, advanced spatial tracking, and enterprise-grade performance, ThirdEye SXR proves that smart glasses aren't just changing consumer tech, they're transforming how professionals work in the real world. NPS Envision. NPS Envision is one of the most inspiring smart glasses on this list because it's designed to make a real difference in people's lives. Powered by advanced AI, these glasses help users with visual impairments by reading text aloud, recognizing objects, identifying people, and describing surroundings in real time. Instead of focusing on entertainment, NPS Envision focuses on accessibility and independence. The lightweight design, smart camera system, and AI-driven scene understanding work together to provide valuable assistance throughout the day. It's a powerful example of how wearable AI can go beyond convenience and become life-changing technology for millions of people around the world. Nimo Glasses. Nimo Glasses feel less like traditional smart glasses and more like a futuristic workstation you can wear. Instead of simply showing notifications, these glasses can create multiple virtual screens right in front of your eyes, giving you a portable productivity setup wherever you go. Imagine answering emails, managing tasks, browsing the web, or working on projects without carrying a laptop or bulky monitor. The lightweight design makes them comfortable for extended use, while AI-powered features help with translations, navigation, and daily productivity. If the future of work is becoming more mobile and flexible, Nimo Glasses might be one of the clearest examples of what's coming next. DPVR G1. DPVR G1 proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to experience the future of AI smart glasses. Despite its budget-friendly price, these glasses pack some surprisingly useful features, including real-time translation, voice controls, object recognition, and hands-free photo and video capture. The lightweight design makes them comfortable for everyday wear, while the open-ear audio system lets you stay aware of your surroundings. What really stands out is how much functionality DPVR G1 delivers at an affordable price point. If you're curious about AI wearables and want an easy entry into the world of smart glasses, this device is definitely worth a closer look. And there you have it. 20 incredible AI smart glasses that are pushing us closer to a world where smartphones may no longer be the center of our digital lives. From AI assistance and real-time translation to immersive AR displays and futuristic productivity tools, the future is literally right in front of our eyes. Which pair impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing future tech and AI gadget videos coming soon.